How to fix if your Stremio app is not working. Now, if your Stremio app is not working in your device, there might be so many reasons for this problem to occur. First of all, you need to figure out what might be causing that issue. Now, one of the very common issues is your internet connection. Check your internet connection if it is working properly or not, and if it is not working properly, contact your internet service provider and they will fix your issue very quickly. Other solution here is to clear cache. In order to do that, just simply go to the app settings and select Stremio. From here, you will see the option of storage. Tap into that and tap to clear cache, and if you don't have any information or very important data, you can also tap to clear data and delete all of the data, which will delete the cluttered cache in the storage, and that will help Stremio app run smoothly as always. So this is how you can fix Stremio app if it is not working. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.